In this video, I'll be showing us how we can add multiple levels to our game, so when we reach the end of level 1, we swap to level 2. And then when we complete the last level, we swap to the Game 1 screen. So making a new level for our game is actually going to be pretty easy. What we're going to do is we're just going to come to our scenes folder and look for our level scene that we made. We're going to right click and duplicate it, give it a new name, so level 2 would be a good name, and then hit duplicate. Now, if we double click on level 2 to open it up in our view, we have an exact duplication of our first level. And the reason we want to do this is because presumably when we create our second level, we're going to be using all of the same sort of features as we did in our first level, but just redesigning how the level itself looks. So I'm going to redesign a new level here. So if I go back to my tile map, and I'm just going to completely erase all of my level design. I'll also go into my tile map spikes and completely erase those. And then it's just going to be a case of drawing in a new level, repositioning or removing or creating more of the springs and the platforms and the coins and the enemies. So for example, I'll go to my tile map. So I'll choose one of these different colored blocks. And I'll start painting something together. So I'll be back in a moment once I've redesigned a new level. Okay, so I've put together a second level for my game. So I have my level 1 from before. And in another scene, I've now created this level 2. Now we want to make it so that when we complete level 1, we start level 2. So we will swap our view to the script view, make sure the game manager is open. And remember, we previously made this next level function where we said if the game level is 1, we'll swap to the game 1 screen. Well, now we have an extra level, so we're going to update this logic so that instead of swapping to the game 1, we will first swap to level 2, and then if you complete level 2, then we'll go to game 1. So what we'll do is we are saying if game state is level 1, instead of swapping to game 1, let's swap to level 2. So input level 2 here. Then once we've swapped to level 2, let's say that the game state dot level plus equals 1. So we're going to add 1 to the value of level. So the level will then become level 2 once we've swapped to level 2. Then we'll say else if the game state dot level is equal to 2, then we will do what we did before and we'll swap to the game 1 level. Now let's go ahead and test this out. And there we go, we successfully swapped to the second level. Now let's see if we swap to the game 1 screen. And we did. Brilliant. And we can press play again to start the game again.